In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a scalping strategy that you guys can start using to start scalping like a pro trader. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, smash the subscribe button, and turn on the bell notification so you guys don't miss any of my future videos. Now without further ado, let's take a look at the charts and let's get this video started. For this strategy, we're going to be combining the MACD indicator with price action. So as you guys can see here on my chart, you'll see that I have the MACD indicator and I have a naked chart. Now to add this MACD onto your chart, you go here to indicators and you just search for MACD. MACD means moving average convergence divergence. Once you see it, you add it onto your chart, you close it, and you just leave everything as it is. Now to use this strategy, we only need two confirmations. As long as you follow these two confirmations, you're going to have a very high win rate. Now when we first get on the chart, what we need to do first is to figure out and identify our highs and our lows before we take any positions at all. So your highs, that's going to be your resistance, and your lows, that's going to be your support zone. And here you can see that we had a high here previously. So we had a high right here. So we had resistance. Now for our low, we can see that we had a previous low here, meaning price was actually ranging previously. So we've identified our highs and our lows, and as we can see here, we can see that price was just going back and forth between the highs and the lows, meaning between resistance and support. Now what we need to wait for now is, first of all, we need to see a break below our low, meaning a break below our support zone. Now once we have the break below our support zone, now we'll have our position below our support zone, and I'm going to show you guys what you guys need to look for the MACD as well before you get in a sell position. Now I'm going to put this in replay mode and show you guys where your entry will be to take the sell position, and we're going to take a look at the confirmations for MACD as well. So let me put this in replay mode and show you guys where your entry would have been to take this sell position here. So let's see here. We're just looking for the break and close. We have the break and close below our support zone right here. And now what you need to be looking out for is the MACD as well. All you simply need to look out for the MACD is you need to see that these two lines is below the MACD histogram, and also the blue line crossing the yellow line, crossing the yellow line going down. And we can see that we have that second confirmation right over here, meaning we can have our sell entry right over here at this candle. Now we can have our stop loss right above this zone here. Now for our take profit, all we have to do is to just look to the left hand side here for our take profit zone. If you don't want to do it this exact same way, looking for your take profit zone, you can just target 1-to-5 risk to reward ratio, but I like trading from zones to zones. So I can see that here I can target this right here, because looking to the left hand side, this was our previous support zone right here. So this is going to be my take profit here, and all I have to do is to just drag this all the way to the right hand side, and then we're going to see how many pips this was. All right, so we have our entry, we have our confirmation for the MACD as well. Now we're gonna target this zone here, and now we're looking at 40 pips right here, risk to reward ratio 2 times. So let's see how this trade actually played out. So let's take a look and see. Bang, right there, we got our take profit smash for 40 pips, risk to reward ratio 2 times. So guys, this is exactly how you guys use this strategy to take a sell position as well. So now we're going to take a look at one more example. This time around, we're going to take a look at a buy position. Now, if you guys want access to my trading community on Discord, the link is going to be down below in the description. Now, for a buy position, all we need, looking at the chart, we need to figure out our highs and our lows. And you can see, look at GBP JPY here, we're still in an uptrend. Now, we're looking for our low. We have to identify our low, and we can see that we had a low here previously. We're looking to take a buy position. This is exactly what we need to do before we take a buy position. We have a low right there, our support zone, and we have a high here for our resistance zone. You see, we had rejection, 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 and we have resistance here, resistance here. So we've identified our highs and our lows, meaning our support and our resistance. Now what we need to do before we take a buy position is to make sure that we have a break and close above our resistance zone, and we need to see a bullish candle form before we take a buy position. Now I'm going to put this in replay mode, and we're going to take a look and see where our entry is going to be using this strategy. So let's put this in replay mode real quick, and we're going to start from right here. Now if you look at the MACD right over here, you can see down here that the MACD, the blue line, crossed the yellow line, and we can see that a green histogram now formed. So now this is our second confirmation, and we have price above our resistance zone as well. So we'll have our entry right here at this bullish candle here, and for our take profit, we can have our stop loss right below this zone here. And for our take profit, all you have to do is to look to the left hand side, and you just target the previous high, which is right over here. We have our previous high right here, and we just target that zone, because I always say this all the time, we always trading from zones to zones. So we target this zone here. We're looking at 45 pips, risk to reward ratio 1:8. So let's see how this trade played out. Right there, we got our take profit smash for 45 pips, risk to reward ratio 1:8. So guys, this is exactly how you use this strategy and start scalping like a pro Forex trader. So guys, I hope you guys found value in this video. If you found value in this video, give this video a thumbs up, smash the subscribe button, and turn on the bell notification so you guys don't miss any of my future videos. God bless you all, and I will see you guys at the top, because the bottom is way too crowded. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace and love.
Fearless.